Aryan. So this is your 18th birthday. We want it to be very, very special. So we tried to reach out to few people to wish you a very, very happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this video and may this year be glorious and full of fun and surprises for you. Happy 18th birthday, my son. Love you loads.
Kapura the Shan, Aryan Meri Jaan. Happy birthday, Aryan. Love you, Putar.
Even Selfie is wishing you a very happy birthday today. Happy birthday! Oh!
वर्षा
हाँ
वर्षा इधर आओ।
क्या है?
आर्यन का बर्थडे आ रहा है, 18 साल का हो रहा है, वीडियो बना।
आर्यन के लिए कौन मेहनत करेगा?
मैं करूँगा, मैं ही बनाऊँगा। देख, now let's see what everyone has to say about it.
आवारा गर्दी में नंबर 1
R for एक नंबर का राउडी।
मेरा है पर मेरा है।
Most attractive बंदा कपूर है।
फेवरेट नौटंकी बाज एंड बेस्ट सिंगर ऑफ कपूर फैमिली।
Nitish, what comes to your mind when you think of Aryan? Okay. Mahir, what comes to your mind when you think of Aryan? Aryan? This is too much aggression. Karan, what about you? What comes to your mind when you think of Aryan?
Aryan, चलो everyone, let's discuss. आ जाने यार. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it. Aryan is champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it. Aryan is champion.
Hey, what's up? What are you doing out here?
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good.
Yeah, I'm just setting out the barbecue, getting some drinks out. Having fun.
Why are you barbecuing and drinking the other day?
Celebrating. Aryan's results just came out and he did really, really well. So, there's no celebration, right?
Shouldn't Aryan be like drinking and partying?
Aryan's not even 18 yet.
It's like one of my favorite songs.
Really?
Yeah.
I love Ed Sheeran, but I think this is Aryan's favorite song actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Does he jam to it while he's driving too?
He jams to it, but in the passenger seat. He doesn't even
Why?
have a license yet.
Oh.
He's not 18! Happy 18th birthday, Aryan. I can't believe you're 18 already. You know, back in 2002 when you were born, you know, a day before, mom and dad asked me whether I want a brother or a sister. And I said I want a brother so bad. And when the good news came, I was so happy. But then you grew up. I'm just kidding. Also, I was joking about the drinking part. Please don't do that. And please don't pester mom and dad while I'm not there. But yeah, I love you. I miss you so much. I miss everyone. And I just hope you have a wonderful 18th birthday with your 18 presents. And just stay safe, you know, quarantine mode. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, मेरा पुत्र, my He-Man.
Happy birthday, Puttar. God bless you. No more injuries, dear. No more injuries.
Hey Ari, rock till it's spring breaks.
Shout till the glass breaks.
It's your 18th birthday.
Happy birthday! We all love you.
Love you too, bro.
I'm my rock star. I really feel proud of you, and remain the same as you are right now, and many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, my darling. जैसा है वैसा रहे, जितनी शरारत, जितना धमाल करनी है जिंदगी में कर, मैं तेरे साथ हमेशा हूँ. आई लव यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Aryan. All the best. Congratulations on finally being an adult. And an Aryan exclusive for you. Roses are red, violets are blue. God made me pretty. What happened to you?
Happy birthday, Aryan. Congrats on turning 18. I don't know about in India, but in US, that's considered an adult. So welcome to adulthood. But no, seriously, have a great day. And I miss you a lot, and I miss everyone. So I hope to see you soon.
आर्यन बेटा, तेरे जन्मदिन की तेरे लख लख बधाई हो और जिंदगी सदा उच्च हो और माँ बाप की सेवा करो, ईश्वर तेरा सदा मदद करे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aryan. Happy birthday to you. Love you, bacha. Stay blessed. Stay cheerful.
Okay, yes, I'm here. Is गाड़ी में. I'm sitting in the car and doing the shoot because this boy doesn't leave me alone. It is so difficult to plan a surprise for Aryan because he's always around me. So yes, Aryan, now you are 18. You have your own room. Get to your room. Leave my bedroom. Leave me alone. Take your space and give me my space. Many happy returns of the day, Aryan. Wish you a very happy 18th. God bless you. Take care. Take extra effort to take care. Done with your surgeries. Done with all these scars. Stay healthy. Stay fit. Lot of wishes pouring in from Mumbai. Have a look. Love you.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Aryan. We love you.
Happy
Birthday,
Aryan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aryan. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Aryan bhaiya.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Have a great day.
Enjoy. Stay blessed.
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed. Happy birthday to you जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े रोते रहोगे. हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी. Happy birthday to you हाजी.
Happy 18th birthday, Aryan.
Congratulations, Aryan. Have a blast. Enjoy your day, man. Yo!
Happy birthday. Tera happy birthday. Tera happy birthday. Oh, tera happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aryan. Love you so much. Bestest day. You're the most charming and handsome and fun kid on the block. Have a great day and miss us and party pending both. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Aryan. Hope you have a fab one. Stay as crazy as you are always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Aryan. God bless. Love you.
Aryan bhaiya, happy birthday.
Enjoy your 18th birthday to the fullest. Stay blessed.
Yeah, I am your very happy birthday.
Hello Aryan, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed and cheers.
Hi, Aryan. Happy birthday to you, bro. All the best.
Happy birthday, Aryan bhaiya.
Happy
birthday, Aryan.
Have
Have fun.
Lots of love. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Aryan. Have a great year ahead.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Aryan. God bless you.
Congratulations to the Kapoors and many happy returns of the day to the naughty Aryan. God bless you, bacha.
Happy birthday Aryan.
Hi, Aryan. Wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
खुश रहो बेटा.
Hello, Aryan. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed. Stay charming. Love you lots.
तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन हो 50,000.
Happy birthday, Aryan. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy 18th birthday Aryan.
Welcome to adulthood. लड़कियां पटा ले सारी.
Happy 18th birthday Aryan. Have a great day and Enjoy your birthday. Bye. Happy birthday, Aryan. May God
bless you. Love you, beta.
Happy 18th birthday, Aryan. God bless you.
Love you, बच्चे.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Your parents are two fantastic people and may you get the best qualities of both of them. Looking forward to seeing you soon.
Looking forward to seeing you in Student of the Year 3. Zion wishes you happy birthday too.
God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Aryan. Here's to celebrating you virtually. Hope to see you soon. We love you.
Happy birthday, Aryan. May God bless you. May Raju Chacha and Meena Chachi gift you lots of sneakers.
Lots of love from Delhi.
Happy birthday.
Hi Aryan, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. I don't know how cool it is to turn 18 in the middle of a pandemic, but I'm sure everyone's going to make it special for you. I hope you're continuing to have your way out with Meena Mami and Raju Mama as always. It's so funny how time flies by. Just a few years back, Meena Mami used to leave us behind with your Hindi, maths and English books, and how we used to struggle. I used to struggle to teach you and you used to struggle to answer. But now you're 18 and have a good day. Lots of love. Take care. Bye.
Birthday to you. तुम जियो हजारों साल. है मेरी है आरज़ू. तुम जियो हजारों साल. Happy birthday to you.
हेलो आर्यन, कैसे है? हैप्पी बर्थडे. आई थिंक 18 का हो गया तो शायद, है ना? वाओ, अडल्टहुड. ओके, बट स्टिल अगर मैं रिमेम्बर करूं तो चाहे मुंबई आके, पर सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम मैंने तेसा बिताया क्रिकेट खेलते हुए और जो भी मैंने मस्ती वगैरह की हुई है. बट आई एम रियली मिसिंग यू बड़ी. जितना बड़ी देर होगी मुझे मुंबई आए और वहाँ पे आपके नीचे क्रिकेट खेले हुए. तो वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड मिस यू. बाय.
हेलो आर्यन, वो वीडियो
हेलो आर्यन, कैसे है?
वो वीडियो वैसे ही बनाई थी मैंने, मतलब मजाक कर रहा था, टाइम पास कर रहा था.
और अमृतसर कब आ रहा है?
वाह, आना है अमृतसर. चल अगली बार जब मुंबई बनेगा तो आएंगे, फिर से क्रिकेट वगैरह खेलेंगे. सच्ची बहुत मज़ा आता है वहाँ पे. और हैप्पी बर्थडे आर्यन. चल मिलते हैं फिर. बाय बाय.
Happy birthday, Cap. Bro, you've been one of my closest friends since the last, I don't even know how many years. We've had one of the craziest memories together, and like if I started listing them down, I don't think I'd ever finish. Bro, from playing down to getting shoutings from uncle to beating you in more than 500 FIFA matches, bro, we've had too much fun over the years, and I hope we do that in the future as well. Bro, I hope you enjoy your day. Have a blast. Yeah, bro. Enjoy.
Hi Aryan, happy 18th birthday. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being a very supportive friend and being there for us throughout, and stay the same cheerful person that you are.
Wish you a very happy 18th birthday, Aryan. May God bless you.
Also, we all know who is the chap at go-karting at PlayStation. Bye, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Thanks for being an amazing friend and always being there for me.
Happy birthday, big boy. Go set the world on fire and dream big. Lots of love.
Bye.
Hi Aryan, happy 18th birthday. Hope you have a great one.
Hi Aryan, wishing you a very happy birthday. 18th one, special one. Keep enjoying, keep playing. Playing तू अंदर PS में ही खेलना, बाहर आके मत खेलना, पता नहीं क्या बॉडी पार्ट टूट जाएगा फिर से. Anyways, enjoy and have fun.
Happy 18th birthday, Aryan. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Aryan.
May God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Aryan. May God bless you with a lot of good health and happiness and whatever you deserve. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday, dear Aryan. God bless you.
Hi Ari, wish you a very happy 18th birthday. So now you are officially eligible to do all the unofficial things that you and Krish both have been doing, and I'm so happy to see you from a little 4-year-old brat to an 18-year-old boy, a good-looking, handsome, smart, and a very sporty, and a stuntman, of course. So God give you all the happiness in your life. Enjoy your birthday and have fun. Love you. Bye.
Hey Ari, happy 18th. God bless you with lots of love, joy and abundance. Enjoy your day. You rock it. You are a rock star. God bless you. Happy birthday again.
राज, आर्यन 18 का हो रहा है, क्या करना है?
करना क्या है? बाहर लॉक करना है, कहीं का लॉक करना है और गाड़ियां की चाबी सारी अंदर रखना है। समझे कि नहीं?
Hey Aryan, you're turning 18. We all love you. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your happy birthday.
Let's sing a little, okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aryan. Happy 18th birthday to you.
Happy birthday Aryan, wish you a very happy 18th birthday. Have a wonderful life. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Keep hitting 4s and 6s in your real life also, and keep winning all your real life matches. Have a very great life ahead. Wish you a lot of success and happiness. Cheers buddy, God bless.
To my dearest Aryan, happy 18th birthday. You're finally legally adult, but you will remain my little Aryan baby. Somebody who walked in, I think, such a tiny sweet kid at standard 1 into my class formally. Otherwise you're tugging along with your siblings, and I always have found you very sweet, very loving, impish, quietly naughty, but I like also the way you get everything together just before your exams, and you manage it because you have a wonderful quality of listening properly. And that's why it seems like, you know, you're doing something last minute, but no, I know that you do listen intently. You have a great intellect, then you have a loving heart, large heart, and you are sweetly obedient. You always given me lots of love, and I feel the same for you. Remain like this even when you turn 80. And I know right now you are all stunned and everything, but let's say wear more clothes, bachcha. Machhar bahut hai.
Hi Aryan, happy birthday. Have a wonderful day in your head. Make sure to use your 18th birthday as motivation to get more, furthermore into sports and do much better in whatever you wish you excel in. And I hope to see you soon. Take care. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday champion. May all your wishes come true. Have a great year ahead. Happy 18.
Happy birthday, Aru. God bless you. Give me 10 rupees only.
Hi Aryan from the Thakkar family. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Happy birthday, Aryan.
Happy birthday, Justin. Have fun.
Have a wonderful day, and we have little Barbie wishing you as well.
And that's about it.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Aryan.
Happy birthday, the rock star of Goldscape. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful year ahead, and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aryan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aryan. Have a wonderful day. We love you.
A big God bless to you, Aryan. Happy 18th birthday. Love you.
18th birthday, Aryan. From New York, I wish you the best of success and great health. Good luck, my dear friend. Happy birthday again.
Hi Aryan. 生日快乐，兄弟。
Wish you many happiness of the day, Aryan. वाढदिवसाची शुभेच्छा तुला, आरी. Happy birthday, Aryan.